eyes. I keep sniffling. I swear to God, I should not have come in today. If I was at home right now, I would literally have tissue stuck up my nose, but we'll power through. I'm a broker, I promise. Tell me you get oily at work without telling me you get oily at work. It's lunchtime and I feel like I'm gonna regret taking my lunch at 12:30 today because it always makes the day just drag, but I'm fucking starving.